What if you could take any article, any report, any long document, paste it into your terminal and get a clean 5-point summary in under 3 seconds, powered by the same AI models that big companies pay thousands for? Hey guys, I'm Samardeep, and in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to build that using Python, using a free API key from NVIDIA. And I promise, if you have never written a line of Python before, you will still be able to follow this. Before we touch any code, let me tell you exactly what we are going to build and why it's useful. We are building a document summarizer. You paste any text, any article, a business report, or any email, anything, and the AI reads it and gives you 5 clean bullet points. Now, why is that useful? Because reading long documents is one of the biggest time wasters in any job. Engineers reading maintenance manuals, students reading research papers, managers reading update emails. This tool cuts that time down massively. And the reason we are using NVIDIA's API is it's free to start. Same models, same quality, and no credit card bill at the end of the month. Here's what we need. 1. A free NVIDIA account. 2. Python installed. 3. A library called openai. That's the entire setup. Let me show you how it's done. Alright, first thing, let's get the API key. Open your browser and go to build.nvidia.com. If you don't have an account, click sign up. It's free and it takes 30 seconds. I'm already logged in, so I'll skip that part. Once you are in, you'll be able to see the API key option under the profile or in the left sidebar. Click it and click generate API key. Copy that key and keep it somewhere safe. It's like your password. Don't push it and don't publish it on GitHub. Once you have that key, paste it in your Python script and you will be able to access all the kind of models like Llama 3, Mistral, and even Gamma models, and which is absolutely free of cost. Now open VS Code. If you don't have Python installed, go to python.org and download it. It takes 2 minutes. I'll put the link in the description below. Open a terminal inside VS Code. Type this one command, pip install openai. That's the only library we need. NVIDIA's API follows the exact same structure as OpenAI's API, so we use the same library. Hit enter and let it install. While that runs, create a new file, call it summarizer.py. Now, here we will be pasting our script. I'm going to paste it in and walk you through exactly what each part does. It's simpler than it looks. So line 1, we import the OpenAI library even though we are using NVIDIA. The library is the same. This is where we connect to NVIDIA's server. See this base URL? Instead of pointing to OpenAI servers, we are pointing to NVIDIA's. That's the only difference. We paste our API key here. This is your input. Whatever text you paste here is that what gets summarized. Right now, it's a placeholder. We'll replace it with a real article in a second. Now, this is the actual API call. We are telling it which model to use. Here, Llama 3.1, and we are giving it 2 instructions. The system message tells it to be a helpful summarizer. The user message gives it our text and says, give me 5 bullet points. And the last 2 lines, we print the result. That's the whole script, 30 lines. Now, let's run it. Let me replace this placeholder text with a real article. I'm going to use a NASA space mission update, something long enough to actually need summarizing. Now, paste your API key here. Let's run it. In the terminal, type python summarizer.py. If you have named the file with any other name, then write it here and hit enter. The full Python script is in the description below. Copy it, paste it, run it. If you get stuck anywhere, drop a comment and I'll help you fix it. If this was useful, subscribe. I post videos every week about AI tools and projects you can actually build. No fluff, no theory, just execution. I'm Samardeep. See you in the next one.